Family Matters. Hello, my name is Jason Ortega, and, and in today's video, I will tell you a little bit about two complicated things that happened in my life and with my family. Approximately 18 years ago, my father suffered an accident in which he became a quadriplegic. My mother suffered a lot because my sister was very little. She was only 1 year and a half old, and I was working far away. My brother and my mother assumed the responsibility at that moment because my work did not allow me to be there much time to help them. So they debate the helps to my father and the expenses that at that moment increased. Months went by and little we were getting used to the situation, and my dad was assimilating it with therapies and hours of psychology. Only some relatives on my dad's side helped, as that was one of the many relatives on trips to the hospital with my dad because due to his condition we had to be more careful with the food and the healing of his wounds. Another situation that happened to me in my job, in which one of the risks is death or jail. I am not commissioned office in the army, and some years ago I was detained for an investigation of some questions that I did not want to tell my family because it was my problem and I had to solve it. It only my wife knew at that time, and my children were very young. The person who I thought would support me in that situation was the first one to turn her back on me. After 4 months of being detained, my children's mother told me that she was done and that we were no longer going as a couple. I only decided to tell my mother after 6 months. She gave me support and was attentive. The relationship with my ex-wife at that time was difficult because she would not call me children. When she could call, it was the hard not being able to talk to them for the years and a half that I was detained. But thank God, everything was solved. I returned to my job and the problem I was solved, and I could finally see my children and try to record the lost time with them, and you really learn who is the most difficult situations and deserve respect and admiration. Thank you.